In this video, I'm going to show you some new and easy microtask sites that pay you really well. If you're looking for a way to make some extra money online, then this is a video for you. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel, the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Microtasking is when you do small tasks that don't require any training or experience, and almost anyone can do these tasks. If you're a student, professional, stay-at-home parent, job seeker or part-timer looking for extra money, then this definitely is a video for you, because I'll be sharing 5 websites and apps where you can find microtasks that fit your skill set and earn some cash in the process. And all you need is a device with internet access to get started. So sit back, relax, and by the end of this video tutorial, you'll be ready to start microtask hunting. The first website I want to tell you about is called HiveMicro.com, and it's also available as an app. The platform offers a variety of microtasks that you can easily do, and it's available for free worldwide on the Apple App Store or Google Play. If you go to their website, you'll find a homepage that says Simple Tasks, Real Money. And indeed, HiveMicro.com is reliable, as evidenced by the testimonials from its many users. The first step is to create an account. Simply click the sign up button to reach this page, where you must provide all of the information requested and then submit. Alternatively, if you have a Facebook account, you may just sign up by using it. You can start applying for jobs as soon as you're logged in. And the jobs here are diverse and fall into different categories like categorizations, bounding boxes, audio transcription, and semantic segmentation. You'll need to get qualified for the job before you can apply for it, and in order to do that, you must take and pass tests related to each job. Once you unlock a job by passing its test, well, then you can begin working on it. And the pay rates for each task depend on the difficulty of the work. More difficult tasks usually come with higher rewards, but there are also many simpler and more frequent jobs which pay significantly less. It's simple to pick which one is best for you based on your preferences. And the best thing, payments are made every week through PayPal or Bitcoin. Microworkers.com is our second website. This platform links companies and employees and is free to use worldwide. Employers may create microtasks and hire staff for them. However, because this video is about making money, we'll look at how to apply for jobs on this website. And the workers on the site are paid directly by the businesses. All of the listings here are considered microjobs. Things like surveys, data categorization, data tagging, data labeling, data matching, and various other tasks fall into this category. To get started, click the register button and begin entering your information. Because these can no longer be modified, it's critical that you use your actual name and pick a username you're confident in. When you're finished, click Submit and start looking for available jobs. Just click on the Jobs tab, and a list of open positions will populate. Each task includes a set of instructions, time limits and pay scale. Once you've made your selection, click I accept the job button and enter the required proof demanded by the employer. Payments are dispersed every Wednesday and Sunday digitally via PayPal or Payoneer, with a $10 minimum withdrawal before cashing out your total earnings. This website, like the previous one, uses PayPal and Bitcoin as well as other payment options. The next website is called Clickworker.com. Now, despite the advances in computing power, there are still certain tasks that only us humans can do. Clickworker completes tasks that computers can't or won't process because of the high cost of programming or equipment, or that businesses cannot complete because they lack sufficient human resources to accomplish the project on time and on budget. This site provides data sets for AI training, and you can also use the app, which is free to download from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. To begin, click on the Clickworker job area button and you'll find yourself on this page. Now, the kind of jobs available are much the same as the last 2 websites mentioned before this one. To start, you must first register by clicking on the Register button. Make sure to choose the For Click Workers category. And once you register, you can start looking for jobs. Now, the amount you get paid varies depending on the job, and in general, harder jobs pay more and easier ones pay less. Payments are usually made every week or every other week through Payoneer, or PayPal or SEPA. Now here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos and it helps our channel as well. Now let's get back to the video and take a look through the fourth website, which is called SproutGigs.com. It's an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners from all over the world. It serves as a middleman in which businesses may hire freelancers to do anything, from small jobs to ongoing projects. The main difference between Sprout Gigs and other freelancing sites is that it offers micro jobs that take only a few minutes to complete and pay for, something no other freelance site does. Workers gain from Sprout Gigs microjob site in a variety of ways. Among them are complete microtasks in 2 minutes and earn money starting at 10 cents. Complete particular professional duties such as content writing, logo design, promotion and so on. And you can earn 5% affiliate commission on referral deposits as well as referral earnings. Once again, you must create an account by signing up. You may then start applying for jobs and earning money afterwards. It's really that easy, and depending on the difficulty of the task, you can get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $100. Obviously, as we've said before, if it's difficult to complete a task, then you should be reimbursed with more money. Therefore, select options that are available to you and feasible so that way you not only get paid, but also feel like your time was worth something. So the last site I want to mention is Timebucks.com. This website might be even easier to use than the others because you get paid for simple tasks like posting on Facebook, viewing slideshows, playing games, installing apps or answering surveys. And just like the other websites, this one is free and accessible from anywhere in the world. The best part about Timebucks, though, are the daily bonuses that you can also earn. Every day the website holds a competition where the top 100 earners receive a bonus. They also have a referral program that lets you earn commission for every person you refer. And the registration process is easy. You just click on the sign up button, fill out the form or use your Facebook account to register. And once your registration on this website is approved, you can start earning money right away. This website has a quick verification process so that you can get to work as soon as possible. Payments are made weekly and there are several different payout methods available. Well, thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. Let us know what you think of our tips by leaving a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We love hearing from you guys, and please let us know if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos. We'll do our best to include them. Good luck out there, see you in the next video. To create is effort, to copy is genius, Albert Einstein. And if you want to expand your income by building an online income, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. And remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.